Hello traders, welcome to a new video at Easy Trading channel. In this video we will see an amazing strategy to enter the market at the best moment. We are going to use three indicators, a double Supertrend indicator and the Schaff trend cycle indicator. The time frame will be 30 minutes, but you can test this strategy in lower or higher time frames as the market is fractal. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is very helpful to continue growing and allow us to offer more similar content. These are the indicators that we will use in the strategy. Double Supertrend indicator. Schaff trend cycle. On TradingView, click on Indicators and search for Supertrend. We need to add two Supertrend indicators. Now, search Schaff trend cycle and click on it. In both Supertrend indicator, we should go to Tab Style and uncheck Buy, Sell, Uptrend Highlighter and Downtrend Highlighter to get a clearer view of the indicator. The first Supertrend indicator settings are ATR period to 21 and ATR multiplier to 1. The second Supertrend indicator settings are ATR period to 14 and ATR multiplier to 3. For the Schaff trend cycle (STC) indicator, we will use the default setting. On Tab Style, we will change some colors to get a clearer view of the indicator. These are the rules for a long position. First, wait for Supertrend changes from red to green. Now, both Supertrend indicators are green. Second, at the same time, we need a green dot on the STC indicator. Finally, we place a buy order at the close of the candle. Then, we can place a stop loss order at fast Supertrend indicator, the one with ATR multiplier set to 1. The take profit order will be set at 2 times the risk. The rules for a short position are the opposite. First, wait for Supertrend changes from green to red. Now, both Supertrend indicators are red. Second, at the same time, we need a red dot on the STC indicator. Finally, we place a sell order at the close of the candle. Then, we can place a stop loss order at fast Supertrend indicator, the one with ATR multiplier set to 1. The take profit order will be set at 2 times the risk. Now let's make a backtest to the strategy. We will test it with euro-dollar pair in a 30 minutes time frame, and we will do it for 20 trades. Remember that you must make your own backtest before trading with real money. At the end of the video, I will show you the results of the backtest. These are the results of the backtest. The strategy has been tested on the Forex market and the euro-dollar pair. The time frame is 30 minutes and the risk per trade is 2%. The win rate is 70% and the maximum drawdown is 4%. We increase our account size by 53%. Finally, the length of the backtest has been 65 days. That's all guys, I hope you liked the video. If so, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.